Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Christian from Best AI Reviews, and today we'll be discussing an innovative tool that's transforming content creation, Fliki. It is a text-to-video and text-to-speech creator that leverages artificial intelligence to simplify the video creation process. The platform's AI voices mimic human speech patterns and tonalities, providing a realistic and professional touch to your videos. It offers a wide range of over 2,000 human-sounding voices, giving users the flexibility to personalize their content. This feature allows you to customize your videos to cater to audiences and preferences. The user interface of Fliki is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate and use the platform. The platform is also known for the excellent quality of its generated videos, adding a layer of professionalism to your content. Moreover, it is not just a text-to-speech converter. It's also a powerful tool for converting texts and blogs into videos, enabling you to diversify your content and reach a broader audience. Now let me show you how to create a video with just a few clicks. First, click the New File and provide information on your file name and aspect ratio. Then click Submit. Next is to provide your content script and paste it into the box. It will automatically create your scenes and split them as well. Now you might want to edit your scenes a little bit by browsing Fliki's library or generate some by typing in your idea. Repeat this process until you're satisfied with it. You might want to choose a voiceover by listening to one of them and selecting the best fit for your video. Next, complete your engagement by adding some background music to your video. Otherwise, you can customize your text, visuals, volume, and anything else by utilizing this tool on the right side. Now let's see how our video turned out.
Welcome to the era of the AI generation, the new face of technology. AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, from image generation to content creation.
Now that's a good video made by Fliki, so don't wait and start creating your videos now. Make sure to click the link in the description below or visit freefliki.com to start your free trial. Like, subscribe, and click on the suggested video to see more Fliki tutorials.